So these arms have bushes in them, and this one is pretty worn out and it's all wallowed out there. So I've started to hit it out, but just to show you now. So what I used is old pin. So the shoulder here is the exact size. So a bit of box section, put it there, couple taps and it should be out. So that's how this kit fits. Is if you look inside there, I've cleaned it out now, but there's a hole there, your spring goes in there, then the slot on the side here, your pin goes through there. I've already knocked one rivet in, and I'll knock the one in place then. Right, so it's a bit fiddly, but what I did was hold one hammer with my knee, then take the one. So I had two hands really to hold it, but still quite fiddly really. So that's how it works. This link arm has a hook there, and nice taper on top of it. So how a Massey 65 or 165 link arm works. So you have a spring-loaded pin here. If you pull that back, so I've pulled it back now, and the link arm can swing up here. So the reason for that is to make it easier to hitch up implements, basically, if you're a bit uneven ground or whatever really. So there's actually a nice taper on it, so when you actually lift the implement and it forces this down with weight, it'll spring back into place and it locks in.